Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change screen lock password on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's begin! So, currently I do have a pattern with a very simple L shape, but let's say I want to change it. Now, of course, if you want to remove your password completely, or in case that you don't know your password, you want to watch our other tutorials on our channel on what to do when you have forgotten your lock screen password. Anyway, without further ado, let's simply head into settings. Now let's scroll down a little and head into Lock Screen and AOD. Then at the top we should see Screen Lock and Biometrics. We can click it. We have to input our current pattern, and now we can change to whatever we want. At the bottom we have Swipe and None. These are options that you want to choose if you want to remove the screen lock completely. And at the top with PIN, Password and Pattern you have different password types. I will go with PIN since I do find it pretty simple, and I will do a very simple 1, 2, 3, 4. Though keep in mind that this is a very basic thing and it's very easy to guess. So you probably want to set up something more specific that doesn't get as easily hacked. And as you can see now we have a little warning that our previous pattern will be saved for 72 hours, so you can use it to reset your screen lock if you forget your new PIN. That's a very cool feature and that's pretty cool. So let's hit OK. And now if we'll lock our screen, we'll see that we have a completely different pattern. Actually, not pattern at all, instead a PIN. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.